In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Minecraft disconnected from server. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. The methods I'm gonna present in this video work both for the Java edition and the Bedrock edition of Minecraft on your computer. For the first and simplest method, open up the firewall settings on your Windows computer. So open up the Start menu and go to the Firewall options. In here, select Allow an app through Firewall and look for Minecraft from the drop-down list. Make sure Minecraft is enabled and is allowed to go through. Check for Microsoft, Mojang, and Minecraft. After you ensure that Minecraft, Mojang, or Microsoft apps are allowed through Firewall, something else you can try is just to restart your router or modem, because sometimes restarting your connection helps you get a stabler, better connection to the servers. Something else to do is to quit out of the game and log in again through the Minecraft launcher. So log out of your Minecraft or Microsoft account and log back in, as that can help re-establish the connection. Lastly, open up your web browser and check for Minecraft server down on Google and go to downdetector.com to see if the Minecraft servers are having issues. If the Minecraft servers are having issues, there is nothing you can do on your end and you just have to wait until Mojang addresses the issue. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Minecraft disconnected from server. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.